Good evening students, I am your Anusha ma'am. We are going to discuss about the CBSE class 11 fourth chapter motion in a plane, the problem number 4.5. Okay, we are going to discuss about the problem 4.5 to find out that what is the given data. The data they have given us, that is at time 0 second, the v naught, that is the initial velocity they have given. Initial velocity is equal to 5.0 I cap. Initial velocity given as 5 I cap, and the acceleration also they have given. Acceleration is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap, given as this one. We have to find out, the question is what is the y coordinate when the x coordinate is equal to 84. This is the one. And what is the speed? Okay, what is the speed? These two are the questions they are asking. We have to find out this. Okay, so to find out this, we all know that the formula, that is r of t formula. We know the position vector r of t, which is equal to, what is that? R of t is equal to, the formula is v naught t plus half at square. This is the formula, v naught t plus half at square. We have to substitute the v naught and a. What you get now? 5 I cap t plus 1 by 2. Instead of that a, you write 3 I cap to j cap, right? A into t square. So what is the next step here? This is 5 I cap t plus 3 by 2 means 1.5. So 1.5 I cap t square plus 2 into, 2 by 2 means result is 1. So this is 1. 2 by 2 result is 1. So 1 t square. 1 t square j cap. This is the one we are having. And now what you have to do here, combine I coordinate separately, j coordinate separately. So if you combine these two, you get 5t plus 1.5 t square I cap separately plus t square j cap. This is another one term. And now you are having that r of t. This is the r of t you are having. Oh, what you have to find? What is the y coordinate when x coordinate is 84? So to find out that y coordinate, you need to separate this one, these terms as x coordinate and y coordinate. This is x coordinate. Actually this 5t and 1.5 t square is the x coordinate, because this is the I cap's coordinate. So this is x coordinate, and sorry, this t square is the j cap coordinate, that is, this is the y coordinate. So this one is the x coordinate, this one is the y coordinate. So we can write x of t is equal to 5t plus 1.5 t square. This is x coordinate, and y coordinate, y of t, that is 1. And now what is the y coordinate of this? Y coordinate of this one is y is equal to 1 t square, right? 1 t square, because j cap you are having this one. So t square is that coordinate. This is the y coordinate. So this is y coordinate, we have written as this. And the question is, what is the x coordinate and what is the what is the y coordinate when x coordinate is 84? So we have to write the x coordinate as yt plus 1.5 t square is equal to 84. X coordinate is 84. We have to find what is y coordinate, right? How to find out this? How can you find out this? We can find out this with the help of the equation, the quadratic equation formula. That is, what is the formula? Quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See, this is the equation. What is the solution of this quadratic equation? Means x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula for that one. As like that, here we have to consider the equation, this one. Instead of this a, here we are having 1.5. Instead of this b, we are having 5. Instead of this c, we are having minus 84. So we have to write the values of the equations, right? What is a is equal to, what is it here? A is equal to 1.5. X square t square 1.5. And b is equal to, what is that? 5t, and here dx. So b is the 5. And what is the c value? C value, that is the c value, that is minus 84. Minus 84. Okay. And we have to find out the solution for this one. How to find out this formula? We have to substitute that. So t is equal to, how can you get the t? We can substitute that formula, minus b, everything. Minus b means here minus 5 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. B square is 5 square, so it is 25. 25 minus 4, a is 1.5 and c is minus 84. 84 divided by 2a, divided by 2 into 1.5. This is the value. So it have two results. One is positive result, another one is minus result. We have to focus the positive result. What is the positive result of this? We have to find out this, So t is equal to minus 5 plus 25 minus 4 into 1.5 into minus 84. The result is 504. Divided by 1.5 into 2 means 3. This is positive result. You need not to worry about the negative result. Okay. One is positive result, another one is negative result. You need not to worry about that negative result because we have to ignore that. So what is the result of this one? We have to find. So we can find that while you do that, minus 5 plus this one, the square root of this one is, result is 23 divided by 3. So what is the result you are having now? This is 23 minus 5, result is 18. 18 by 3, result is 6. So now you found out the t is equal to 6 seconds. T is equal to 6 seconds. And what you have to do next? After finding the t, you have to find out the which one. After getting that, you have to find out the y coordinate. Y coordinate is 1 t square. This is the one which we have found out previously. So 1 t square means, so 1 into t square is 6 square, right? So the result is 36. So y is equal to 36 meter. This is the one you have find out here. And another question they are asking that speed. How to find out that speed here? Speed is nothing but we have to find out the modulus of v, velocity. From that you can find out the speed. The magnitudes of the square root of the magnitudes, you can get the speed. So first we have to find out the velocity. What is that velocity? Velocity is nothing but change in position by change in time. Change in position, what is that? dr by dt. What is the r? You all know that d by dt of r value. Previously we have determined it. What is that r value? R is nothing but 5t plus 1.5 t square I plus t square j cap. So we have to substitute that r value here. That is 5t plus 1.5 t square I cap plus t square j cap. Okay, this is the one. If you differentiate that, what you get? First term, differentiating, take it outside. 5 take it outside, and d by dt of t with this t is, you are going to differentiate this t. d by dt of this t, result is 1 plus 1.5 into, you are going to differentiate this t square. While you differentiate this t square, the result is 2t. Okay, so now you are having this one I cap plus the 2t, the t square. If you want to differentiate, you get 2t. T square differentiation is 2t j cap. So now you are having this. Okay, what is the result of this? 5 plus 1.5 into 2 means 3. 3t I cap plus 2t j cap, right? So here you have to find out that what is the t value. Substitute the t value. What is the t value? 6, you know. So 5 plus 6 into 3 means 18, you know, 18 I cap plus 2 into 6 j cap. What is the result? 2 into 6 means 12. So now you are having 5 plus 18 means what is that? 23 I cap plus 12 j cap. You are having this. Okay. And now what you have to do here? We are having this. So at the end, the result, you have to find out the modulus of V. How to find out that modulus of V? We have to find out that modulus of V is equal to, what is that? Square root of the magnitudes of that one. So magnitude of that one is 23i, we have found out, you know, 23 square plus for the j cap you are having, what is the V you found out? 12 j cap you are having. So this is 12 square. Modulus of this square root of a square plus b square. So the result of this one you can get 26 meter per second. So as per that, what is the y coordinate? We found out as the result for the case y is equal to y coordinate we have found out as 36 meter. We found out as 36 meter, and the modulus of V, the speed, we have found out that 26 meter per second. So we found this one. This is the answer for this case. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this.